This is it, kiddo.
You got 4 turns left, one at a time. Drive it in deep and hope it sticks. Go!
McQueen's going inside. Chick and the King are loose.
I think McQueen is out of the race. McQueen saved
He's
it.
back on the track.
Float like a Cadillac.
Sting like a beamer.
Mikey McQueen is gonna win the Piston Cup.
Come on, you got it, Stickers.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Oh no.
Yeah! Woo! I won, baby! Yeah!
What's he up to, Doc?
What are you doing, kid?
I think the King should finish his last race.
You just gave up the Piston Cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
It's just an empty cup.
Darryl, is pushing on the last lap legal?
Hey, man, he's not really pushing him. He's just giving him a little bump draft. Hey, what? What's going on? That's what I call racing right there.
Bravo, el mio amico.
Way to go, buddy.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass